Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be catfishing on the Ottawa River. So we're gonna be by this bridge. Went here last month. Caught a pretty nice one. Yeah, we're gonna be fishing over here. The usual spot we go to is right there, but oh, there's a snake. We usually go over there, but it's all overgrown, so we're gonna be fishing on the other side. Oh, carp just jumped right there. I just saw it. Fish right here and cast there. Okay, so our setup is gonna be night crawlers, and then we got a hook, a weight, and we got another hook. And we're using half of a night crawler for each hook. And Chase is trying to catch a fishing rod because somebody dropped theirs or something. And has a fish on it. We can see it going. Okay, just saw a fish jump, so that's what worked. I ran out of line. I'm getting hit. I just casted this one out. You're a liar. Huh? You lied. You have one? Oh, I have the rod. Oh, I have a big fish. I think I do have it. You have the rod? I have it. I told you it would bite. I was right.
Wasn't that the only fish here?
The fish with the rod bit my stupid worm. It's a carp. It's definitely a carp. Or a big catfish. One of the two. It's not a bullhead. Whoa. I don't know. I loosened the drag and it just started going out. Like, I can't believe it didn't just come off. No. It's a pretty big fish though. Ah, I got it. Oh, it broke.
Another rod.
Nope, that's the, yeah, it came off. Time to, what's up? Okay, here we go. Whoa, it's fighting hard.
Oh, massive. Got to like lose them?
Oh. Chase, I might need help. This thing might cut me. It's big. Yes, it is. Oh.
Bring them out.
I'm gonna cut myself.
It's a giant carp.
Hurry.
What do you do? Open it up.
It's hooked good. Yes, sir. Don't step on. Here, go back. Oh.
First of all, snap the line.
I caught a rod using a rod to catch a catfish. And it's like 8-pounder. Well, let's weigh it. .81 pounds.
They in right? Oh my god, you're looking around like you're retarded.
Oh.
Get it.
Oh, it's a big fish. Did I just catch a turtle? Okay, I'm gonna use this rod that we just caught. Even though it's broken, still gonna use it. Because it's giant. Oh, you killed it?
You just told you that. You just said, oh, you killed him, God. And then you're asked if I killed it?
No, I didn't. Holy.
Bring over that snag, that's a good thing. Good idea, though.
There's so much water. Yeah, this thing's not that good. I don't even know if...
Hide it?
It's gonna be like a weird... It's not even... I'm not gonna really see the hit. This one's all the way slack.
This other one. Other fish. Other one is a fish right now.
Grab it then. This one has a fish.
Grab it, please. Smoke.
Well, I saw this one slack. You hooked? Oh my gosh, doubler. Let's go. Baby. Mine's pretty nice. Mine's a bullhead, I'm pretty sure.
Wow, most of these are it's not big. It's coming right at you. You know yours is big?
It's a catfish.
This is actually massive fish.
This thing is stupid. Catfish. Actually, no, mine's bigger.
Not yet. You're stupid. You know what's so loose? Oh, you're terrible fish.
It's completely slack. Okay, I just grabbed a new GoPro battery.